How to make a personal portfolio using Canva. First things first, go to www.canva.com. If you haven't already, sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type in portfolio and hit enter. You'll see a bunch of templates pop up. Scroll through the options and pick a template that you like. There are different styles for different tastes, so choose one that matches your vibe. Now comes the fun part. Click on the template you chose. Click on Customize this template and you'll be taken to the Canva editor. Here, you can change the text, swap out images, and play around with colors and fonts. Make it your own. Think about what you want to include in your portfolio. Do you have projects, work samples, or achievements you want to showcase? Create sections for each and arrange them in a logical order. Upload images or screenshots of your projects by clicking the Uploads tab on the sidebar. Drag and drop them into your portfolio template. Once you've added your content, take a step back and look at the overall design. Tweak any details that don't look quite right. Experiment with different layouts, colors, and fonts until you're happy with how it looks. Once you're done, click on the Share button. Click on the Download button and choose whether you want to save your portfolio as a PDF or image file or just choose among the options. Then, you can click Download again to save your portfolio. Congratulations, you've just created your own personal portfolio using Canva. Give yourself a pat on the back and get ready to impress potential clients or employers with your awesome work. And there you have it. Creating your personal portfolio with Canva is as simple as that. Now, go ahead and showcase your talents with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.